So we're starting with ad-darsu thani. Ad-darsu thani means the second lesson. So the second lesson is a continuation of the first lesson. How? Because the title is the same, Hujratud Dirasa. And if you recall the last chapter, it had the Hamza, which indicated the first part, and now it's giving you Ba, which represent the second part. So what did we say about Hujratud Dirasa? We said the Hujra meant room, Dirasa is study, so it means the study room. Okay? So now we have new sets of words. The first one is sunduk. 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 Sunduk means a box. Okay, any types of box. Maybe I should write it here. Box. And then we have tabashir. Tabashir. Tabashir is chalk. Chalk. How do you spell chalk? I think like that. I'm not too sure. Okay. Tabashir is chalk. You know the chalk that we use for the blackboard? So, and same thing like the first lesson, now they combine sundukun wa tabashir. Again, wa means and, so it's saying the box and chalk. Actually, it's a plural, chalks. So next set of words is babun. Babun is a door. Remember what I explained to you in last class, that sometimes they give you tanween here and sometimes they don't. So looks like in this class there, again, it depends. Sometimes they will give you, sometimes they won't. But as long as you understand that whether or not they give you the ending or not, each word ends with tanween of dhamma. Okay, so that's the default situation of each of these words. It ends with tanween of dhamma. So babun, it means a door, and nafidhatun, nafidhatun means window, a window. Okay. Okay. And then babun wa nafidhatun, a door and a window. Okay, babun wa nafidhatun. And the next set of words is haqibatun. Haqiba is a bag, any types of bag that you carry. And then we have kursi. Kursi is a chair. The last class we learned how to say a seat, and here we know how to say a chair. A chair. Okay. And then we have haqiba fawqa kursi. Okay, so now we have a new word, fawqa kursi. It's not saying like haqiba wa kursi. It's saying haqiba fawqa kursi. So what is fawqa means? Fawqa means above. You can write here as above, or you can say on. Okay. In this context, it should mean on because the bag is not above, floating above the chair. So it's saying the haqiba, a bag on a chair, kursi. Okay. So the haqiba, this one, haqiba is on the chair. Okay. So what is fawqa? Fawqa means on or above. Jayid. And then we have masaha. Masaha is an eraser. Eraser. Okay. And then we have sabura. We have learned the sabura already, right? What is sabura means? Is a board. And then we have masaha wa sabura. Masaha and sabura. An eraser and a board. And then we have the next set of words. We have maktaba. Maktaba means a library. Okay, a library. So looks like in the picture it looks like a small bookshelf. So basically, a library means it could be a library, as we know, a library where we go and you know uh, check out books. It can also mean a library that you have in your own home, right? You have a bookshelf and you have a lot of books. You're building your own library. That's also maktaba. That's also your small library, right? Then we have bitaqa. Bitaqa is a card. Could be any types of card. Here it shows like your identification card, your ID card, but it could be any card. It could be your business card. It's just a card, right? And then we have maktaba wa bitaqa, a library and a card. And then the last set of words is what? Kharita. What is kharita means? Kharita is a map. A map. And then we have hamil. Hamil, it means a lot of things. Depends the context. Here it could mean a stand, like this one, a stand or a holder. Okay, so we can use it as a stand. I'll just write stand here. It means a lot of things. I'll just put a slash holder. It basically something anyway. So for now, this is fine. Stand holder. So then we have kharitatun wa hamil. A map and a stand. I think the stand will make more sense in this context, right? Now, so I think with that, we move on to the exercise. So basically we have, just quickly going through these words again. Sunduk is a box. Okay, sunduk is a box. Tabashir is chalks. Okay, I'll just read the words. Babun is a door. Nafidatun is a window. Haqiba or haqibatun is a bag. Kursiyun or kursi is a chair. And then we also learned a new word, which is fawqa, which means on. Okay, in English, it's something we call preposition, right? So fawqa is on. And then we have masaha. Masaha is an eraser. Sabura, which we have done in the last class. Maktabatun means a library. Don't get, here's interesting thing, don't get confused with the words that we learned last time, which is maktabun. Maktabun. Why am I writing? Just write it here like that. Maktabun. Maktabun. What is maktabun? Maktabun was desk. What's the difference? Difference is that we only have this ta marbuta, okay? Once you add ta marbuta to maktabun, it becomes maktabatun, and the meaning changes. From desk, it becomes a library. Okay, so be careful with these words. A lot of people get these two confused. Then we have bitaqa, which is a card, and we have kharita, kharitatun, which is a map, and hamil, we said it means a stand. Okay, so now we go to the exercise tadribat, which is exercise tadribul awwal, first exercise, same thing as I explained to you before. They want you to read, but the meaning of reading here is to reflect on the meaning. So you have to memorize these words. You have to know what these words means, and then you come back here and then you check your memorization. Okay, you say tabashir. Okay, what is tabashir? Tabashir means a pen, a book. What does it mean? So you have to know. Tabashir means chalks. Then sunduk, a box. Nafida, window. Bab, a door. Okay, kharita is window. No, kharita is a map. So you have to use this exercise to practice your vocabularies. Okay, at this point there's nothing else. These exercise, these lessons, they're not giving you anything more than exercise, vocabularies. So you have to memorize them, you have to master them. So yeah, so go through all of them, and then first, before doing this exercise, just like before, as I explained to you or suggested, you should memorize these words first, then you start doing this exercise. Same thing as before, التدريب الثاني, the second exercise. They give you a word صندوق, and you have to find this word from this list. Again, just simply just making a line, without even saying anything, keeping quiet and just putting this thing, it's not going to help you much. That's not the intention, right? Intention is that when you first you read the word صندوق, and then you think what صندوق means. It means a box. Then you try to find this word from the list. مكتبة. What is maktaba means? Does it mean a desk? No, maktaba means a library. Okay, good. Now you find it and you connect. Okay, so you should do this exercise by yourself and follow this instruction. And then we have التدريب الثالث, the third exercise, which is looks like the writing exercise. And I explained to you, this is something that you have to practice by yourself. Here we have different letters showing you how to write them in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. Okay, جيد. And then we have التدريب الرابع, the fourth exercise. Okay, so the fourth exercise, it's using the new word that we learned, فوق. Okay, so first of all, what is فوق means? فوق means on or above. Okay, so we have صندوق. Look, right now they didn't write any harakat. What are the harakat? Harakats are fatha, kasra, dhamma. These are called harakats. There's nothing here. Okay, there's no fatha, there's no kasra, there's no dhamma, nothing. So how do you know how to read them? So this is something that you will build slowly, because when you memorize, when you study this word, right? For example, here, when you study this word and you memorize, eventually you will have a image of this word in your mind. So when you see this, you will be able to recognize. So that's how you will know how to pronounce it. Okay, so now you see this. Okay, you know how which word it is, right? It matches with something that you memorize, which is sunduk. So sunduk, okay. So what is sunduk means? It means a box. And then what is maktab means? A desk. So sunduk fawqa maktab, a box on a desk. You can say above a desk, but I think on is more appropriate. Then we have sabura fawqa hamil. Okay, saburatun fawqa hamil. So a board on the stand. Okay, a board on the stand. And then we have qalamun fawqa kitab, a pen on the book. Sorry, what am I saying? On the book. There's no the here. These are just indefinite words. So it's going to be qalamun on a book. Okay, make sure, I don't know if what I've said here. So it should be a pen on a book. These are all just a, not the pen. A pen. Okay, a book. So then we have here, what do we have? We have this Kitabun fawqa maktaba. Okay, so looks like this one is floating actually. So I can say the book above a library. Okay, makes sense. So basically here we learn something in English is called preposition. Okay. In Arabic language, it has a lot of different rules, something that they're not talking about at this point, and I'm not going to explain. There's some things happens when we have fawqa, and there's some rules regarding these things, and they will explain slowly. Okay, so when the time comes, I'll explain, inshallah. And then we have at-tadrib al-khamis, the fifth exercise. I have no idea what it's saying. It's just giving it 3 words. خريطة, بطاقة, صندوق. I don't know what they want. Maybe we can say, I don't know. We can just say خريطة وبطاقة وصندوق. We can say بطاقة فوق صندوق. If we say بطاقة فوق صندوق, what does it mean? It means a card is on a box. Okay, so this exercise is not clear, but make sure you know these meanings. تدريب السادس, it looks like it still has to do with writing, so follow it through if you need practice with writing Arabic scripts. Okay, and then we have التدريب السابع. التدريب السابع is 7th exercise. Okay, it looks like, okay, it's the last one. It looks like it's similar to what we've done in the words, where it gives you a word and you have to find it from the list. So it gives you a whole bunch of words. Maktabun wa maktabatun. Okay, see these 2 words, very similar, right? What is the only thing difference, as I said before, is that this tamarbuta. Maktabun wa maktabatun. So where is it? Is this one kitabun wa maktabun? No, maktabun. This is the one. Okay, so you match it. So again, before you find it and match it, you need to know what these words means. What is maktabun wa maktabatun means? Same thing with the other one, haqibatun fawqa maktab. So what does it mean? Haqibatun fawqa maktab, a bag on a book. Okay, so then you find where it says haqibatun, here it is, and then you can circle out, do whatever you want, right? Okay, with that we're done with ad-dars al-thani, second lesson. The whole thing is, again, still we are trying to build our vocabularies. Okay, so we have to memorize these words. We have to be very comfortable with these words, and then also we learned something something like fawqa, which is a preposition. It means above, and we know how to combine 2 words using waw, which is and, a conjunction, and then we have fawqa, which is a preposition. So we have 2 ways to combine 2 different words. Okay, so with that we're done with today's lesson. Inshallah, I will see you guys in the next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.